Alright, when it's come time to return to the airport for landing, we can use the GPS to provide us good information in the cockpit for flying a pattern. So in this case, we're going to return to NAS JAX and fly a pattern for runway 28. So I can hit direct, nearest airport, select the airport we're going to, hit activate, go to the home button, hit procedure, hit approach, select approach. We're going to scroll to visual 28, activate the approach, and this warning comes up basically saying that the guidance provided will not guarantee clearance from obstacles and terrains. We'll acknowledge that. We can go back to our map, and now we see runway 28 on the GPS for the runway, the end of the runway, and then we also have a visual 3 nautical mile point from the runway on centerline. So if we were to navigate the airplane to that point and be at approximately 1,000 feet AGL, we would be on a 3-degree glide slope to the runway. But as you can imagine, we're going to be coming in on a 45 to the downwind. So again, this magenta line helps us visualize the extended runway centerline. And note, I also have the cross-track error, which is the perpendicular distance from the centerline of the runway to my aircraft. So when I am on downwind, I beam the runway on the runway reciprocal heading. So in this case, for runway 28, I would be on a downwind heading of 096. The cross-track distance is telling me how far I am away from the runway, and I obviously am looking to fly 1 nautical mile to 3/4 of a mile away. So again, good information in the cockpit to help us fly a good pattern, especially when we're at an unfamiliar airport and we don't have ground gauge to tell us what 1 nautical mile is.